go through that first. In that lesson, I explained what are fractions, how to obtain equivalent fractions for given fraction, and how to find simplest form or lowest term of fractions. Now, let us learn different types of fractions. Different types of fractions. Let's start with like fractions. Start with like fractions. The fractions with same denominators. The fraction with same denominators are called like fractions. For example, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 1 by 6, 4 by 6. In all these fractions, denominators are same. Denominators are same. So, these are like fractions. Children, let's see ordering and comparing like fractions. Ordering, how to order and how to compare the like fractions. Look at these squares. All the squares are at same size. Let's see the fraction for these squares. Here first square. The square is divided into 4 equal parts and 2 parts are colored. The fraction for this square is 2 by 4. Now see the second one. Here square is divided into 4 equal parts and all the 4 parts are colored. The fraction for this square is 4 by 4. Now another one. This square also divided into 4 equal parts and one part is colored. The fraction for this square is 1 by 4. The last square. This square also divided into 4 equal parts and 3 parts are colored. The fraction for this square is 3 by 4. In all these fractions, denominators are same. Here denominators are same. Then compare the numerator. Greater the numerator, greater the fraction. Here, which numerator is greater? Yes, 4 is greater number. So, 4 by 4 is greater 1. 4 by 4. The next numerator greater is 3. 3 by 4. 4 by 4 is greater than 3 by 4. 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is greater than 2 by 4. 3 by 4 is greater than 2 by 4. 2 by 4 is greater than 1 by 4. When the denominators are same, then you compare the numbers in numerator. Let's see some more examples. First example, 3 by 8 and 5 by 8. Here, in both the fraction, denominator is same. So, compare the numerator. Here, 3 and in other one, 5. Here, 3 is less than 5. So, 3 by 8 is less than 5 by 8. One more example, 4 by 6 and 1 by 6. Here also denominators are same. Compare the numerator. Here 4 and 1. 4 is greater than 1. So 4 by 6 is greater than 1 by 6. See one more example. 2 by 9, 7 by 9. Both the denominators are same. Compare the numerator. 2 and 7. 2 is smaller than 7. So, 2 by 9 is smaller than 7 by 9. One more example. 5 by 10 and 8 by 10. Here also denominators are same. Compare the let's see one more type of fraction, that is unlike fraction. Unlike fractions. The fractions with different denominators are called as unlike fractions. For example, 1 by 4, 1 by 7, 1 by 5, 1 by 8. Here, all the denominators are different. These fractions are called as unlike fractions. Children, let's see ordering and comparing unlike fractions. Here some circles. All the circles are divided into different number of parts. Let's see the fractions for all these circles. Here first circle. The first circle is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 equal parts and one part is colored. The fraction for this circle is 1 by 5. Total number of parts are 5 and number of colored part, that is 1. One more circle. This circle is equally divided into 2 equal parts and one part is colored. Fraction for this circle is 1 by 2. Let's see the one more circle. This circle is equally divided into 4 equal parts and one part is colored. Fraction is 1 by 4. Let's see the last one. This circle is equally divided into 3 equal parts and one part is colored. That is 1 by 3. In all these fractions, all the denominators are different. When the denominators are different and numerators are same, then you compare the denominator. The greater the denominator, smaller the fraction. When any objects divided into more number of parts, each part becomes small. Here, this circle is divided into 5 equal parts. Here, each part becomes small. So here, greater the denominator, smaller the fraction. Here, greater number is 5. 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is less than 1 by 4. Next one is 1 by 5 is less than 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is less than 1 by 3. 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is less than 1 by 2. Here, the big greater fraction is 1 by 2. 1 by 5 is less than 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is less than 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is less than 1 by 2. Children, let's see some more example on comparing unlike fraction. Our first example, 2 by 7 and 2 by 9. In both the fraction, numerators are same. Then you compare the denominator, 7 and 9. Greater the denominator, smaller the fraction. Here big number is 9. So 2 by 9 is smaller fraction. 2 by 9 is smaller one and 2 by 7 is greater than. 2 by 7 is greater than 2 by 9. One more example, 4 by 8 and 4 by 6. Here also numerators are same. Compare the denominator. Greater the denominator, smaller the fraction. Here 8 is greater than 6. So 4 by 8 is less than 4 by 6. 4 by 8 is multiply 4 3s are 4 3s are 12. Now you compare 12 and 16. Which one is greater? Yes, 16 is greater number. 12 is smaller number. So 3 by 8 is smaller than 2 by 4. 3 by 8 is smaller one. Let's see one more example. 4 by 9 and 2 by 7. Here also both numerators and denominators are different. Now you do the cross multiplication. That is multiply 9 into 2. 9 2s are 18. Then 4 7s are 20.